Hello guys, we meet again. This is our third project with Arduino. So my project is about smoke detector, which is we using LDR and LM35 to detect smoke and detect temperature. So as you can see here, this is our project setup. So this is my sketching diagram from freezing application. Component. First, we need 4 220k ohms resistor, 2 LED which is green and red. For temperature sensor, we need LM35. For smoke detector, we using LDR, 1 potentiometer. Power source, we using a battery. We using LCD 16x2. And last but not least, our hero product Arduino Uno. So first step, we connect our Arduino to our power source, which is battery. So for my project, I am using a lighter to increase the temperature value, and a green LED will change to red blinking LED. And for smoke detector, we are using LDR, which is when I close my hand to this LDR, the smoke detector will change from OK to danger. Then the green LED will change to red blinking LED. So that's all. Thank you. So kalian jangan lupa ya tekan butang like dan subscribe.